TALCO, the flagman of the industry of Tajikistan. Tajikistan is one of the most beautiful countries in Central Asia. The majestic mountains store numerous natural riches in their subsoil, processing of which will allow the country to take a leading position among a number of industrial countries. That is why industrial development is one of the priorities of the government of the country. And although a lot has been done already, more improvements are needed. Enterprises like the Tajik Aluminum Company are the backbone of Tajikistan's economy. Dozens of new factories, power plants, mining and chemical enterprises are operating and are being formed around the smelter in order to work on its products and produce equipment and necessary components for TALCO's manufacturing process. As a result, complex production chains are built which form a developed industrial state. Therefore, it is important to preserve and develop enterprises of TALCO's magnitude. Tajik Aluminum Company is one of the largest primary aluminium producers in Central and South Asia. Maximum production capacity of the smelter is 517,000 tons of aluminium and 360,000 tons of baked anodes per year. TALCO is the first Tajik brand that matches the world's standard requirements and whose products are exported to many countries around the globe: Turkey, Uzbekistan, Japan, China, Western Europe, United States, and others. The enterprise significantly contributes to the state's treasury and provides job opportunities for more than 8,000 individuals. The profitability of the company has grown by 20% in the recent years and provides over 20% of the country's foreign exchange earnings. Industrial potential of TALCO and its partners make up to 25 to 30% of the country's total output and accounts for nearly 30% of the country's total exports. TALCO became the first company in Central Asia to implement the ISO 9000 quality management system. In 2013, the Tajik Aluminum Company received a certificate of an integrated management system, which also includes ISO 14000 and OHSAS 18000 international standards, and became the first industrial enterprise in Tajikistan and the first producer of the primary aluminium in Central Asia whose activities correspond with international standards consisting of requirements for the environmental management system. The company conducts an international audit for its activities every year. Today, TALCO represents a group of companies that operate in collaboration with partners, consisting of TALCO Cable, an enterprise for the production of cable and wire products; TALCO Resource, a coal mining enterprise; TALCO Chemical, plants for the production of cryolite, aluminum fluoride, and sulfuric acid; TALCO Fluoride, an enterprise for extraction and production of fluorspar; TALCO Gold, an enterprise for extraction of gold, silver, antimony, and other precious metals. TALCO Resource. On June 28, 2012, TALCO Resource Limited Liability Company was established and registered on the basis of the TALCO Company. The main task of the company is to extract minerals and provide coal to the industrial enterprises of the country. TALCO Resource produces about 400 tons of coal per year, and the company can increase its production level depending on the demand of coal in the market. Since its establishment, the volume has amounted to more than 1 million tons. Nowadays, TALCO Resource supplies coal to the Tajik Aluminum Smelter, Central Heating Plant No. 2 in Dushanbe City, Yavan Cement Plant, TALCO Chemical, and other enterprises of the country. TALCO Fluoride. In order to provide TALCO Chemical with the necessary raw material, on July 2016, a processing plant was established for the production of fluorspar. An ore mining and processing enterprise is located in the southern Hisor, a geo-industrial region of the country. The production capacity of the plant is 100,000 tons of ore per year. Fluorspar is used for the production of hydrofluoric acid, that is the main component for the production of creolite and aluminum fluoride. According to preliminary estimates, total ore reserves at the fields amount to 1,100,000 tons. Fluorspar reserves approximately 623,000 tons. Lead 27,000 tons. Zinc 10,000 tons. Over 200 individuals are employed at the plant. TALCO Chemical. TALCO has developed a strategy for the development of the aluminum industry in the Republic of Tajikistan based on the usage of local raw materials. Within the framework of this strategy, 3 industrial chemical enterprises were designed and commissioned in the territory of Yavan district. Creolite plant with production capacity of 12,000 tons per year. Aluminum fluoride plant with production capacity of 18,000 tons per year. And sulfuric acid plant with production capacity of 130,000 tons per year. Over 600 jobs were created at TALCO Chemical. The cost of the project is $126 million. Before the construction of its own chemical production, the company used to purchase creolite and aluminum fluoride from Belarus, Lithuania, and China, while after the chemical plants commenced their operation, TALCO itself began exporting its products to foreign metallurgical enterprises of Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Iran, and India. Production of gas from coal is established at the above-mentioned chemical plants. Thanks to the use of latest technology, nearly 12,000 cubic meters of gas are produced here every hour. TALCO Cable. On March 2008, construction of a cable plant called TALCO Cable began in Dushanbe in accordance with TALCO's development program for creation of enterprises that process aluminium inside the country. The plant, with an annual production capacity of 8,000 tons of cable and wire products, officially began its operation in August 2011. Today, TALCO Cable is one of the leading manufacturers of cable products in Central Asia. The enterprise provides constant, high-paid jobs for more than 100 individuals. The cost of the project is $42 million. In 2016, the line of production of cable and wire products consisted of 112 types, and in 2017, it was increased to 380 types. TALCO Cable is a modern enterprise producing cable and wire products that meet the requirements of the world standard of quality, ISO 9001. A wide range of products manufactured by the enterprise with the use of modern technological equipment allow to satisfy the demands of not only domestic but also foreign companies. The production lines are equipped with modern machinery from the world's largest leading companies in this industry, such as Sictra SRL, Italy, Smarter, China, Mylafer Extrusion, Finland. The enterprise not only fulfills its obligation before the electricity supplier Tajik, but also supplies cable and wire products for international projects financed by the Asian Development Bank and the Islamic Development Bank for conducting power transmission lines. The high quality of TALCO's numerous projects are due to the company's cooperation with well-known world companies, such as Glencore International, Switzerland, Noble Resources, Hong Kong, Hydro Aluminium, Norway, and Rusal, the Russian Federation, and others. The company's management operates on the basis of guidance and instructions of the respected founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency, Mr. Emomali Rahmon, who constantly works to develop activities, modernize production with the use of most advanced technologies, and search for new potential trading partners, all of which directly serves to the development of the national company. Currently, TALCO is a mining, metallurgical, and chemical corporation. TALCO, Tajikistan's industrial business card.